ki khubor ka bate CTV. Lawan Rashapi ta ka Frank Motors. Kamon ban long slur, ringkat bat kaman ba Shongkhya. Ka Shong ha ka Jinglong scam, bat Jingjit bastard Jongi. Ka Tata Harrier, ka Kali ka ban San ya ka Linti ya Jongpi, ka La ban long ka Jongpi Minta. Book ya ka Tata Harrier ha Frank Motors, lat korngi, lani phone hau number hinyo not sausan ar, not hinyo khanda hinyo lai.
Ki Nongrep Jong Athemri Boy, Kibran Hapok Shatri Jong Rila Jong Farmers Produce Organization, ringkat ke Jingatray Lang baka College of Postgraduate Studies in Agriculture Science, Omniam, Hakasantrik unok pra iklarakhe yako World Soil Day, ringkat lang baka Purthai Barok away. Ya kini ke Jing Rakhe, la pelong hakasnang paham sok tri nong po, hapok ke Jingalam Jong ke Presiden ke Kong Marian Maring, u Vice President u PS Tour. Nakaliangan juga College of Postgraduate Studies in Agriculture Science, lami ikhmat u Dr. Sanjay Swami, u Dr. A.K. Singh, u Dr. Vishram Ram, u Dr. Ram Singh. Hakini kesengi la samru iki sembai terso baki wiki sembai Jhorsha ki Nongrep, bat la ai tiru iki tiarrep baki Nongrep kin dub la ben penen kam hakarep karyang.
Langsung
December, and we are celebrating as a Soil Health Day, and with this we are also conducting a program on the rapeseed and mustard. I will only discuss few things about the mustard cultivation, like when we are talking about the Meghalaya cropping system, then majorly or essentially it is dominated by only rice and fallow cropping system. Happy World Soil Day! 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 World Soil Day! Happy World Soil Day! Happy World Soil Day!